Welcome back to Riot's Vlog. Ngayon po, mag-unboxing po tayo ng BTS. Laman po niya, BTS. Mag-start na po tayo.
Ayan, so, hi, this is Ella. So, bubuksan na natin yung padala. Tadaan! Oops. Let's not show the details. Galing siya sa isang Twitter shop from lagi ko tong binibilhan. Si Soul Goodies PH. SGPH from Ate Ali. So, open na natin siya. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Dami niyang tape. So, itong merch na to, malayo ang binahay nito. May kwento to. Kasi, from Ate Ali, yung shop, bumiyahe pa to, maling address ang napuntahan. Nakarating ng Quezon Province. So, yung friend ko na nasa Quezon Province, ayun, pinadala ulit siya sa akin. Since this is a go, I joined the go, or what we call the group order. Kaya ako to nabili. Kasi, this is sold from Korea. Ow! Oh my gosh. Ow! Masusugatan pa yata ako dito. Nahirap na tumuksan na. Maporol po yung gunting namin. Pagpasensyahan niya na. We need to be careful kasi baka matusok yung merch na loob. My gosh, this is mahal. So,
a few moments later.
ayan. Slowly but surely. Wala bang mas matalas dito, Ri?
Meron ata.
Hindi, okay na to. Hayaan mo na. So, ayun. Ayan. So, one side is done. Let's do the other side. This is so hard to open.
Tulungan ka ta.
Masugatan ka ba?
Hindi sa agad na maganda.
Kasi di ba yung dito, dapat isa-slice mo yung scotch tape sa sides.
Ako ginagupit ko sa
So, ayan.
meron kaming gunting na matalas.
Ngayon mo lang sinabi, nasa gitna nito. So, ayan. So, you can see the bubble wrap. To safe keep the MD or the merch. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Nagalaw ko yung cam, guys. Ayan. Sorry na. Hindi ako sanay magsalita sa harap ng camera. So, ayan. So, this is, ayan, we finally opened the box. Tadaan! So, as you can see, it is full of bubble bubble wrap, to avoid dentures of the product. Kasi, maarte ako sa merch. I'm a collector, so, as you can see. What is this? What is this? So, later na this. So, ayan. Here's the merch. My gosh, mahaba-habang unboxing yata. So, guys, please bear with us. So, ayan. Tinanggal na niya yung malaking box. So, ito yung merch na to. Walaan nyo ano to. Wala bang matalas na gunting?
Meron yung gunting namin.
Sige yun. So, let's wait for Rian. Para hindi naman mapahamak yung DVD ko. So, this is actually a DVD. If you guys are familiar with BTS and familiar with their merch, they release a DVD annually, parang collection of their activities for the whole year. And they call this the memories. So, merong memories each year. So, this one is memories of 2019. So, this is from last year. So, ayan. Ang daming layer ng bubble wraps. I specifically asked for this to be bubble wrap properly kasi nga maarte tayo sa merch. Ay, tiyan, wala namang pinagkaiba. Parang mapurol pa din. Parang mapurol pa din naman.
Yan yung maano na gunting. Gusto mo yung gunting sa kusina.
So, medyo nahihirapan kami dito. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. At ang
Two hours later.
oh my God, anong oras ba tayo nag-start? So, finally! I can feel it. So, this is like the second to the last layer of bubble wrap we're gonna remove. Ayan. So, napakahirap niyang tanggalin. Gugustuhin mo na lang sirain yung bubble wrap. But, there are scotch tapes kasi. So, you have to cut it. Oh my gosh! Nakikita ko na yung POV. You know what POV is? So, ayun. This is the POV. If you can see it, the pre-order benefit that you can only get if you pre-ordered.
Diba?
Diba? From the word itself. Iba yan. Iba yan, Rian.
Diba yun? Unbox mo pa rin. Up.
Ayan, so, yay! We're finally here. So, first things first, I got a freebie from Ate Ali. So, this is a lenti. So, as you can see, nag-iiba-iba siya. Diba? Very nice.
Tatlo?
So, from On Era, tatlo.
Tatlo?
From the Map of the Soul era.
Tatlo nga.
And, ayan, yung tour nila. So, it's a lenticular postcard from Soul Goodies PH. Nafo-focus ba to? Ayan, kasi medyo madilim. So, this is the shop I got this from. Soul Goodies. So, tabi natin siya. What?
Can I hold it?
Later, you can hold it. So, this is the POV. It's an Aurora frame. This is what we call the Aurora frame. So, this is from their BBMAs, I think. So, ayan. You can only get this at Weavers. And finally, the DVD. We finally got to unbox the DVD. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy wala siyang dentures. So, this is the DVD.
Wow.
So, the back part. And
Para
then
siyang notebook.
oh, yeah. So, same, ano siya. Same with the Memories of 2018 and 2017 na format ng book. It's like, yeah, you know. So, we're finally gonna open this one. Ayan, so,
Mas mapulol yun.
hindi, I need a matalas. So, we need to be careful. Ayokong sinasira yung plastics ng merch ko. So, I'm very careful when I open it.
Ay.
Kasi, pinapasok ko siya ulit sa plastic.
Para hindi masira.
Later, we're gonna open that one. So, ayun. I'm just gonna cut
Yes.
this one here. To make an opening. Ayan. Tapos, I'm gonna slide it down para makuha natin siya without ruining the plastic. Oh my gosh. I actually ruined the plastic without meaning to. So, ayan. Medyo mahirap siyang gawin. Excuse me, nag-burp ako. Takpan mo yon, Rian. Ng sounds. So, ayan.
Excuse you.
So, I'm currently removing the plastic. I don't like my plastics ruined, so we need to be careful with this one. Yes! I got it out successfully. So, ito yung harap niya. Okay, lapag natin siya. And let's focus the camera. And so, yan, let's fix it. So, makatanggal, Rian. So, this is it. So, before anything else, hindi ko muna titignan yung photo card na nakuha ko. So, pakapa muna. Kapa-kapa. So, tanggalin ko muna yung kalat-kalat kasi ayokong silipin yung photo card kung sino to. So, ito yung photo card. Hindi ko muna siya titignan kasi sabay kaming titingin ng friend ko. So, let's put this one here. Hindi ko muna siya titingnan. So, along with the DVD, we got this. It's a, I don't know, and then the special memories book. So, and then let's open it. Ayan. It's smaller than the, so, as you can see, this is Namjoon. Focus. Medyo malabo siya, pero, ayan. So, this is the photo frame, I think. So, this is the table of contents. Ayoko siyang i-slide kasi madudumihan. So, I'm just gonna carry it.
Okay. Ano ba?
So, oh my gosh, I saw Taeyang. So, ayan. Table of contents from January. Harap ko na lang. Buhatin ko na nga lang.
Gusto mo ko na lang buhat?
Hindi, ako na. So, ayan. So, from January to December. This is their schedule. Everything that's inside this DVD is in this table of contents. So, ayan. So, first off, we have, oh my gosh, medyo kubit siya, like my phone. Why? So, this is, what's this? Why is it so kapal? I think this is a folder of some sorts. Let's see. I think this is, why is it so kapal? Pero bakit tabingi siya? Nakakainis.
Tabingi ba?
Ayan o, naka-curl siya. So, this is Taeyang. Taeyang ah. Ang init, guys. Can you please open the door? Ay, the door. The fan. So, ayan. So, we're just gonna walk through kasi makapal to. At, ayan po, nag-uusap sila sa likuran ko. Hindi ko alam anong pinag-uusapan nila.
Number 3,
Oh my gosh! Number 3. So, ayan. This is from the Speakers of Japan. So, these are from the concept photos of their map of the soul persona. If you remember. Oh my gosh, ang cute nila. Mamaya ako nananamnamin to. I'm just gonna let you see everything that's inside these photo book. So, ayan. Pwede mo siyang ayan. So, this is also their poster for Map of the Soul Persona album version 1. So, ayan. Madami-dami to. So, I'm just gonna let you see. So, ipa-fast forward na lang din. This is madami. So, every night and every day. So, LSS ako sa Savage Love nila. They had a remix with J Thunder Rose. Savage Love. That's somebody, that's somebody. So, yan, mga awarding ceremonies. So, I don't know why it's making that kind of noise. Dionysus. Yes, power. Oh my gosh, this is their Festa concept photos. And I love this one. So, madaldal na naman ako. Tcharam! Excuse me. So, masyado siyang madami, guys. Hindi ko na siya tatapusin. Kasi, hahaba yung oras ng vlog natin. I'm just gonna show you the other inclusions. Nandito sa likuran yung DVD. Ayan. So, after the photos, kasi nga photo book, these are the DVDs. So, baliktaran siya. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 CDs. DVDs, rather. So, here it is. I think this is the, parang accordion type photo. See, I told you. It's the accordion type photo. So, this is the front. Merong group photos. And then, meron sa backside. Oh my gosh. Bakit parang kulang? Sabi ko na eh. 'Di ba? Kabisado ko ilan tong miyembro nito, hindi pwedeng magkulang to. So, there we have Jen, Jimin, Jungkook, Taeyang. Ang cute nila here. And then, the leader, Namjoon. We're almost done. I don't actually.
Hindi dito, te?
Pwede mo siyang i-play, tapos mapapanood mo sila. So, this is, so first time magkaganito sa memories nila. Kasi memories 17, 18, and 19 are the same style or design. Pero never nagkaganto sa 17 and 18. So, ayan.
Wow!
So, we will walk through it na lang. I'm not gonna show you everything. So, there you have it. Thank you.
Hi guys! Please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!